Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to You Know Who, Gordon Guitar, of course. Thank you for tuning in here, and this time we have Keznamdi. It's first time here on Gordon Guitar for sure, and there's a song called Pressure. Alright, so if you like this kind of song, this is one to go for with this kind of rhythm. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret, and that's pretty much necessary, and then with that we have 3 easy chords. I would go for the capo on 2nd. That's my choice, and I hope you do that as well to keep life simple. With the capo on 2nd, you have E minor, A minor, and B minor. All right, so let's take a look at the chords, and we're gonna start with E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord, A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is B minor. So that's a bar chord where you put the bar, your index finger, on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below, you have to. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So that is the chord progression from the beginning till the end of the song. E minor, A minor, and B minor. Now let's take a look at the handling, the string pattern. So go back to the first chord, E minor, and one string around. It's a pretty long one. It goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna divide it into 2 different parts here, so it's easier to learn. So the first part is down up clap. Down, short pause, and then up clap. Like this. Then you're gonna play 3 downs, but the first down is played on the bass strings. And the next 2 downs on the higher strings down here. I think this is sometimes more important than other times. In this specific song, it's pretty important to try to separate these 3 downs from each other. So the first down and the next 2 downs on the higher strings, and then it follows just with a clap and a down. And that is the end of the strumming. So the first part was down up clap, and then immediately comes the 3 downs, down down down, clap down. And if you put it together, it will be like this, and a couple of rounds goes. So we have the chord progression: E minor, 2 string rounds, A minor, 1, and B minor, 1. Round and round like that. Couple of rounds goes like this. So on. So there you have it, guys, boys and girls. Keznamdi, the song called Pressure. Alright, so feel free to subscribe to this channel if you like songs like this, or if you just like new songs, old goodies, and even if you want to wish songs on Gordon Guitar, this is opportunity you have. Every Wednesday we have wish songs that you wished for. Sometimes we have a whole week, like the next week. So take the chance, wish for a song, leave a comment, and perhaps it's your song. Till next time, guys, play tuned.